Good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yesterday I gave you exercise 15.1 to do. All of you have done 15.1. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now open page 222. Triple two. Yes. We are going to study the movement of the patterns today. How patterns rotate. How sign and symbols rotate, and how we have to adjust the rotation to give another shape. Now look here, page number 222, triple two, page number triple two. Mute your mic from where so much of disturbance is coming. Manvi, okay. Page number triple two, making patterns. Point number one. The shape is turned at an angle of 90 degree, or we may say that this is a 1/4 rotation. Can you see the images made? Can you see two dots which are made in a figure, orange figure? There are two dots. Now try to understand the rotation pattern. First two dots are at the bottom. And now in the second figure, the two dots are facing left hand side. Yes. First figure, two dots are at the bottom, and then in the second figure, those two dots are facing the left hand side. That means what degree rotation is this? This is 90-degree rotation. And then again in the third pattern, see the two dots are facing upwards. Upwards means they are facing the north direction now. Yes. In the first figure, they are facing south direction. Then in the second figure, they are facing east direction. And then in the third figure, they are facing north direction. Means they are turning and changing their shape 90 degrees. At what angle? 90 degrees. Or we can say that 1/4. Why 1/4? Because there are four directions altogether. Yes, east, west, north, south, four directions, and this is changing, turning one direction at a time. That means 1/4, 1/4. Got it? So, first type of shape turn at an angle of 90 degree, or we can say that it is a 1/4 rotation. So, rotation which takes place direction wise, first south direction, then it is exactly coming to the east direction, that is 90-degree change. Again 90-degree change, it will come up, that is north direction. And then can you tell what will be the next pattern in this figure? First it was south, then it was east, then it was north, and then where the two dots will come, who will tell? Sorry, first was south, then it was west, and then it was north, and now when it will, where it will come? Yes, Rishita is raising her hand. Rishita. East, yes, it will come at the right hand side now. Next, the two dots will come on the right hand side. First they were down, then they were left hand side, then again up, and now what will be the next pattern? Right hand side. Are you looking in the books, all of you? Yes. Yes. Then point number two. The shape is turned at an angle of 180 degrees. Now here two times the shape is changing, 2 times 90, 90 plus 90, that is 180. So first it will, when it will turn 90, it will come up at the side, and then again it will turn one more time. So second we will say it is turning half rotation, half. Okay, means 4 Directions are there. In the first figure, we have studied that it was turning one fourth. Okay, 90 degree. In the second pattern, we can see it is turning half. Means in the first diagram, the dots are at the bottom corner, left hand side bottom corner. Can you see it? And in the second figure, they are at the right hand side corner up. Exactly half they have turned up. Now, can you tell me what will be the third figure where it will come now? Again, it will come down. Yes, it will again come now down. All right. Now, come on to the third type of rotation. The shape is turned at an angle of 270 degree, or we can say that 3/4, now more than half. First it was 90 degree, that is 1/4. Then it was half rotation, and now more than half rotation. Now see, first two dots are in the corner, left hand side, and then it is coming on the right hand side corner, more than half. Half was at the top corner, right hand side top corner was half, but now it is more than half. It is now at the right hand side down corner, bottom. So this is 3/4 rotation. And if degree wise we say it is 270 degrees. So basically the main thing is you have to look at the figure. You don't have to do the any calculations here. You don't have to remember that okay 1/4, 290, 190, 90, 270. No. The main thing is you have to look at the figure and try to understand that what will be the next pattern by looking at the rotation. Okay. So here we can see that in third point, first two dots are in the left hand side bottom. Then second figure, right hand side bottom. Then again, third figure, right hand side top. Then again, more than half, left hand side top. Okay. So yes, by looking at the pattern, we have to understand, and then we have to draw the next pattern. Similarly, based on these rotation, we will do 15.2 question number 2. Open 15.2 question number 2. All of you. Can you see triple two? 15.2 question number 2. Complete the pattern. All of you have opened it? Now see the pattern and changes. In the first box, two dots are there. Yes. And then we can see that it is rotating anti-clockwise. It has came back. Yes. Then in the third column, it has again came to the same position where it was in the first box. Yes. So now in the next box, where the dots will go? In the first box, see the dots. First, it is in the on the first box, it is on the right side. Then in the second box, it is on the left side. Then on the third box, it is again on the right side. Then in the fourth box, again it will be on the left side. Okay. So yes, one dot on top and one dot at bottom. And then in the next box, again it will be on the right side. Means it started with right, then it was left, then again it was right, then left, then right. Those who have not understood, I am telling you again. Look at the first blue box. Look at the first blue box and try to understand the dots. They are slanting at the right side. Yes, slanting at the right side. In the second box, they are slanting at the left side. In the third box, again they are on the right side. So in the fourth box, where it will be? Again on the Which side? Yes, very good. Left side. Now in the fourth box, left, and then now in the fifth one, right. Very good. Very good. This is how you have to do. Now come on to second question, where two is written. Now see, in, in the first column, two is straight, then two is horizontal, then two is upside down. It is rotating clockwise, जैसे कि घड़ी चलती है. Clockwise, two is straight, then like this, move your hand like that only, then two down, and then where the two will come now? Very good. Right side. Who answered it? Manvi answered. Very good. Very good. Manvi answered. It will be right side. See here. See here in the camera. First, first the two is straight. Can you see? First, two is here straight. Yes. Then two has turned from here till here clockwise. Then again one more rotation clockwise. It has come downward. So now where the two will go? It will be facing, yes, make two like this, and then in the next figure make straight two. Means it is rotating 90 degrees. One fourth rotation it is taking. What type of rotation it is taking? One fourth. Hmm. Hmm. Here two straight, then 90 degree, it has become horizontal. Then again 90 degree, it has came down. Then it will come this side, the left side, and then straight. Done. Then come on to the next one, the yellow figure. See the dots, how they are changing. First, the single dot is at the bottom. Then single dot is on the left hand side corner. Then single dot is on the right hand side corner. Now where the single dot will come? Bottom. Bottom. Single dot will come bottom. Yes. Yes. And then after bottom, where single dot will come? At last, left hand side corner. See how I have made in the book. You also make it like this only. See how I have made, you also make it. Done. First, the dot is at the bottom. Yes, then in the second image, the dot is at the left hand side corner top. Then the dot is on the right hand side corner top. That means here also rotation is 90 degrees. Which rotation is going on? One fourth rotation. That is 90 degrees rotation. So after right hand side top corner, the dot is coming down. And at last, the dot is again going at the left hand side top corner. 90-degree rotation, one fourth rotation, this is called. Now come on the last figure. Look at the arrows. In the first figure, arrow is straight. Yes. In the second figure, at what degree it has turned? Once do not present 90 degree. At what degree it has turned 90 degree? Then, yes, then in the third figure, again 90 degree, it has become straight. That means in the first image, straight. In the second image, horizontal. In the third image, straight. Again, in the fourth image, it will be horizontal. In the fourth image, it will be horizontal. Yes. And then again in the fifth image, and then in the fifth image, it will be again straight, vertical, straight. Yes. So first image is vertical, straight. second horizontal, third again vertical. So by looking at the pattern we can understand that it is changing 90 degrees, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. So obviously when first is vertical, second is horizontal, third is again vertical, then what will be fourth? Horizontal. And then when fourth is horizontal, what will be the last one? Vertical. Yes. By looking at the pattern, are you able to understand now how the shapes are changing and what degree we are taking to change the shapes? Yes. You got it? All right. So this exercise, that is 15.2, you have to do in your fair copies. Now open exercise 15.3 for a second. Yes, Manvi. Yes, how you will do better without drawing? You have to draw, you have to make boxes and make the dots as they are made. Okay. Now come on, exercise 15. Yes, in copy. Come on, exercise 15.3, question number 1. Children, it is your responsibility on your own to mute your mics. Every day I will not say same thing. Come on to exercise 15.3, all of you, question number 1. Opened? Now see. Question number 1 is saying, in the following figures, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Now, I told you what is a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is a line which divides any figure into two equal parts, or it gives the mirror image. Now, see in these images, the first image, a cup is there, a trophy is there. The dotted line is just crossing from the center. Is it dividing or is it a line of symmetry? Will it be yes or no? It it is a symmetry line. You will write there yes. The first answer is yes. It is dividing the figure into two equal parts. So write there yes. Now come in the second figure. Is the line of symmetry dividing the figure in two equal parts? No. So you have to write there no. No, it is not a line of symmetry. Come into the third figure, a doll figure. Is the line of symmetry dividing the doll into two equal parts? Yes, it is dividing. So right there, yes. Come on to the Christmas tree figure. Is the dotted line dividing it into equal two parts? Yes. So right there, yes, yes. Come on to the last figure, a cylinder figure. Why it is a no? It is yes, it is no because the figure is not equal from both the sides. It is a no because line is okay, but the figure itself is not equal from both the sides. So the second figure and the third figure is no, rest are yes. Clear? Now, children, your homework is 15.2 and 15.3. The sums which we have done, this question also you have to do in your copies. You will draw the figures, you will draw the line of symmetry, and then below it, you will write yes or no. Okay? All right? Both both exercises 15.2 question number 2 and 15.3 question number 1. Clear? You have full Saturday, you have full Sunday. You have to do this work in your fair copies without any excuses. You have to draw the diagrams also. Yes, any problem? यस, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ, जैसे बना है वैसे ही बनाना है बेटा, एग्जैक्टली। ओके।